Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I've come up with another video. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the topic of public, private and protected attribute in Python. So here first I'm always confused between public, private and protected attribute. They sounds very confusing to me. So what are they? Protected and if we talk about security, then the most highly secure attribute is the most secure attribute is private attribute. If we talk about security, the least secure attribute is public, and then higher than it is protected, and the most higher attribute, the most highest secure attribute is, and the highest secure attribute is private attribute. So what is public attribute? And public attribute can be accessed from anywhere inside or outside the class. For example, we have defined demo classes here. So here we have defined the cell dot name equals to register. So we have defined this instance variable here. So it can get accessed outside the class, but it can get accessed outside the class because it is a yeah, because it is a public variable. But what if we want to secure a variable? What if we want to secure our instance variable? Then we can do that by writing a underscore. So protected attribute should be accessed only inside the class or subclass. Like public attribute can be accessed from anywhere inside or outside the class, and protected attribute should be accessed only inside the class or subclass. Still can be accessed from outside. Python does not enforce this directly. Like directly, we can directly access public attributes outside the class. It can be it is accessible inside the class or subclass. Is accessible inside the class or subclass. Is accessible is accessible inside the class or subclass. Python cannot still cannot be accessed. Cannot It cannot be accessed outside the class directly. It can't be accessed outside the class directly. We have to enforce it to access outside the class. We have to enforce it to access outside the class. So we have defined this at this. So to enforce, we cannot access it directly outside class. We have to write underscore balance. We have to write a single underscore to access this outside the class. And I'm saying that is it accessible inside the subclass. So let me just check it. Let me define to class, name it as to self. And if I am writing print self dot balance, so I just want to see that is it accessible inside the class or not. Okay. So can it be like this? And then sprint. and obj dot to no. Then we are getting one attribute error, no attribute balance. सो ऐसे ही एक्सेस करना अंडरस्कोर डाल के अब आ जाएगा. गॉट इट. सो दूसरी क्लास में भी कॉल कर सकते हैं, बाहर नहीं कर सकते, करने का कर सकते हैं अंडरस्कोर लगा के, सिंगल अंडरस्कोर. और प्राइवेट एट्रीब्यूट्स की प्राइवेसी सबसे ज्यादा हाई लेवल की सिक्योरिटी होती है प्राइवेट एट्रीब्यूट पे. इट कैन नॉट बी एक्सेस डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम इट कैन नॉट बी एक्सेस डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड द पाइथन नेम इट्स internally to prevent access. But I want to see that whether I can access that variable within another method or not. For example, I define the class as to define to as self, and here I mentioned print self dot print underscore class name plus double underscore plus वो variable आएगा underscore class name and can we use obj dot to. Yes, then also it is working. It is accessible inside the class or subclass. It cannot be accessed directly. और इसका बस प्रोटेक्टेड का इन्फो लिखने का तरीका होगा पब्लिक और प्राइवेट का. inside the class or subclass it can't be accessed. मतलब वो उसके साथ ना अंडरस्कोर के साथ अंडरस्कोर क्लास प्लस डबल अंडरस्कोर लगाना पड़ता है. अंडरस्कोर क्लास underscore class name can be accessed outside the class by using underscore class name plus double underscore then variable and then instance variable dash and then instance variable of constructor will come. And to access the protected attributes can be accessed outside the class by using underscore plus instance variable of the constructor method. It can be accessed outside the class by using underscore plus instance variable of constructor method. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. Now we'll meet it another with meet with another. We'll solve another problem in another video. Until then, goodbye. Please hit the like button and please share the video as much as possible. And please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.